Hey friends, so Thanksgiving is over and we're entering into December, which is a month filled with holidays. We're going to learn about a few of those holidays. The first one is called Hanukkah. This book is called Hooray for Hanukkah. So some families do celebrate Hanukkah and some families do not celebrate Hanukkah. But it's good to know about other holidays, even if it's one that you don't celebrate, so you can know about holidays that maybe your friends celebrate. So this book is called Hooray for Hanukkah, and the person who's going to tell the story is the menorah. This is a menorah right here. It's something that's used when you're celebrating Hanukkah. So the menorah is going to tell us the story of Hooray for Hanukkah. Okay, and in this book, you'll see all kinds of things that people do when they're celebrating Hanukkah. Here we go. Hooray for Hanukkah. Hooray for Hanukkah. It's my favorite holiday. I'll tell you why. I am a menorah. There's the menorah. In winter, when it's cold and dark, my colorful candles are warm and bright. Hooray! Hooray for Hanukkah. So here's some kids getting ready for Hanukkah. They're getting candles out because a menorah holds candles, and you'll see how they put the candles in. Hanukkah lasts for 8 happy days. On the first night, Mama says the blessings and lights the first candle. She uses the helper candle called the shamus. So Mama's using this white candle right here. That's the helper candle. So she's using it to light the first candle on the first night of Hanukkah. Hanukkah lasts for 8 nights. Yes, Hanukkah is a long holiday. So every night the family uses the shamus right here to light the 8 candles. So on night number 1, we're lighting the first candle. Right, so there it is. They put it in the window. Here's the first candle. And this one we're not going to count because this one's the shamus, the helper candle. Friends see me in the window and they come to visit. See how I glow? I am bright, but I could be brighter. On the second night of Hanukkah, the family lights 2 candles. They gather around and sing to me. My 2 candles sparkle and glow. I am bright, but I could be brighter. So here's 2 candles right here for the 2 nights of Hanukkah. We're not counting the helper candle, the shamus. That one stays there the whole time. That's the candle you use to light the other candles. Look at all the family. Grandpa's playing the piano. We've got Grandma, Dad, Mom, all the kids singing. The kitten joining in the fun too. On the third night of Hanukkah, Grandma lights 3 candles. There she is using the shamus, the helper candle, and she's lighting 1, 2, 3 candles for the 3 nights of Hanukkah they've had so far. The family makes potato pancakes called latkes. Ooh, the whole family's helping. Look, here is Mama. She's grating the potatoes. They're made from potatoes. They look like a pancake, but they're made from potatoes. So she's grating the potatoes into small pieces. The little boy is mixing in some other ingredients. Oh, back up. First, Papa over here, the grandpa, he's peeling the potatoes. Then Mom is grating the potatoes into little pieces. The little boy is mixing the potatoes, and Grandma is cooking the potato pancakes, the latkes. And it looks like Dad is getting ready with the plates and the kids. The girls over here are setting the table. Looks like the baby, he can't really help that much, but he looks like he's having fun with the kitty. So the whole family's helping making a special Hanukkah food called latkes. The latkes are as golden as my flames. My 3 candles sparkle and glow. I am bright, but I could be brighter. Look at that menorah with the 3 candles lit. Everybody's enjoying all the food they made. On the 4th night, Grandpa lights 4 candles. He teaches the children how to play dreidel. They spin the dreidel and win prizes. The kitten spins it too. So a dreidel is a toy, a Hanukkah toy that you spin and you can win money with. It's like a little money game. You play with pennies or quarters or coins. I see my flames shining in the kitten's eyes. My 4 candles glimmer and glow. I am bright, but I could be brighter. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 candles. And there's the helper candle called the shamus. On the 5th night, the children light 5 candles. Mama gives them Hanukkah money. The coins are gold, but inside there's chocolate. So here we go. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles lit for the 5 nights of Hanukkah. Don't count the helper candle, the shamus. And here are the kids eating their chocolate coins. Yum. Hanukkah is a sweet holiday. My 5 candles light up the children's happy, sticky faces. I am bright, but I could be brighter. On the 6th night of Hanukkah, Papa lights 6 candles. He leads the family in a noisy dance all around me. My flames dance too. See them sway and reach up, up, up. I am bright, but I could be brighter. Look at how much fun they are having, dancing around the menorah. That looks like a lot of fun. On the 7th night, it snows. The children light 7 candles. My flames glow in the window, lighting the way to our house. Our friends can find us in the snow. Here come more gifts and kisses and hugs. I am bright, but I could be brighter. Finally, here it is, the 8th night of Hanukkah. The family gathers around me, and each person lights a candle. They light 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 candles. And look, Mama's using the shamus, the helper candle. Oh my goodness. Mama turns out the lights and everyone says, ooh, ah. I am the brightest I can be. All the candles are lit. My brave light pushes the darkness away. That's what Hanukkah is all about. All year long, the family will remember my 8 bright days. That's why everyone says, hooray! Hooray for Hanukkah. The end. Wow, friends, we just learned a lot about Hanukkah from this book. We learned about families that celebrate Hanukkah and how they have a menorah and candles and how they use the shamus, the helper candle, to light the other candles. So every night of Hanukkah, they light 1 more candle for a total of 8 candles. They spin dreidels for fun as a game. They eat chocolate coins as a delicious sweet treat. They might work together to make a special meal, like those, in this case, this family made a special Hanukkah treat called latkes, potato pancakes. And they enjoy each other. Maybe more family comes over with presents and gifts and kisses and hugs. Sounds like this family had a really nice Hanukkah, a really nice time celebrating Hanukkah. So maybe you celebrate Hanukkah or maybe you don't, but it's good to know about all different holidays. All right, friends, I will see you later. Bye.